This story is called Little Spotted Cat. What do you think the story is about?
Little Spotted Cat.
Mama Cat called, "It's time for your nap, you little spotted cat." "Oh no, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. "Now it's time for play." Little Spotted Cat jumped up, up, up. The flower pot fell down, down, crash.
Mommy,
"Oh no, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. What will Mama Cat say?
I'm a flower pot.
And Mama Cat called, "It's time for your nap, you little spotted cat." "No, no, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. "Now it's time for fun." What do you think's gonna happen? Little Spotted Cat pushed the yarn. He pulled the yarn. In and out, here and there, yarn, yarn, everywhere.
Yarn. Anywhere.
"Oh no, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. What will Mama Cat say? And Mama Cat called, "It's time for your nap, you little spotted cat." "Oh no, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. "Now it's time for a cool drink." Little Spotted Cat looked in the bowl. Was that another little spotted cat?
Yeah.
Flip, flap, splash. "Oh no, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. What will Mama Cat say? And Mama Cat called louder this time. "Where are you, you little spotted cat? You must take your nap." No, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. "Now it's time for some sunny fun." A grasshopper came hopping by. "Hello, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. "I will hop with you." Little Spotted Cat ran. He jumped and bump, kerplop. "Oh no, meow," said Little Spotted Cat. "Here comes Mama Cat now." And Mama Cat said, "Here you are, my wet, muddy little spotted cat.
Me, I'm so sad.
You must wash your paws. You must refill the bowl, roll up the yarn, and pick up the flower pot. And now, my little spotted cat, you are all clean and cozy, and you must take your nap." Little Spotted Cat just went purr, and snore. He was already fast asleep and dreaming little spotted cat nap dreams. The end.
Again.